Hi guys, my name is Logan and I want to talk to you a little bit about making friends during your international programs. During my first international program to Italy, I clung to the program. I stuck with the other Texas Tech students, and that was one of my biggest regrets. Not that they were bad people, but I missed a really big opportunity to talk to Italians, to talk to local people. I just didn't take the initiative to develop relationships or even start casual conversations with people at the university or just around. So that's one of my biggest pieces of advice is to just put yourself out there and see where it takes you. In my second program to Japan, I ended up volunteering at this chat room at a local Japanese university. It was a chance for foreign students to talk to Japanese students in English. And in one of those conversations, I made friends with Japanese students who invited me out to play soccer with them. When I did, I met a Brazilian, I met a Finnish student, I met an Italian. Pretty soon we had an international group of soccer players. We ended up paying together for this rooftop futsal court. And we played with people from not only Japan, but also a student from Texas, not on my program, go figure, as well as people from Brazil, Finland, Pakistan, all over the place. And that was a way for us all to enjoy a common sport, a common interest, even with our really different backgrounds. So just put yourself out there and see where it takes you. When I went to Ireland, I joined this international club, and that club took international students on all sorts of trips around Ireland. One of those trips, I met a student like myself who's half Japanese, and so we struck it off immediately, sharing similar cultural backgrounds, upbringings, and we ended up traveling to Norway together because my flatmate was from Norway. And by talking to her, I learned more about Norway and became interested and ended up traveling there. So the point is, you never know how talking to international people, to people local to your program, will affect your travel plans, will affect your broader cultural experience. So just remember that people abroad are interested in America. They will ask you questions like, hey, is American high school like it's shown in the Hollywood movies? How delicious is the Big Mac actually? They're curious about Americans. So if you just reciprocate that interest and put yourself out there, I think you'll have great interactions and be able to develop relationships in your international programs.